Classroom tutor and companion tourist plane to Cartagena, present by the tourist promoter Luis Lopez Patiño. Welcome to Cartagena. In this tour we present of the place where you can go to enjoy the island of Baru, well known of course. Its other delicious dishes such as rice, wiconon, and steaming shrimps, as well as delicious drinks including slushing and cocktails. Now we can do the field activities between the light walking, dancing, or any other show in the slide. I also describe what can be done in Cartagena in 3 days to meet without wasting a single moment. We as a charity is what cause we can transport in plane, car, bicycle, etc. And the activities that we can do are a wonderful experience. And if we tell about the place to stay, it has some excellent hotel with very good attention, spectacular sea views, and good service. We thinking about the food, the rich and exquisite icy drink and cocktails of various flavors made or prepared in recipes. You face celebration and the best is the super chic house. So the invitation is open for you to come and take it everything with, but it is a unique experience. Okay?